All right. And then Ray, you share occupying stand so with me, Silbert. Now, Yaba, they say in terms of consistency, Abba. So you tell the brother that porcupine stand with Silbert, no break, fire for fire, talk to us. Stand, and the question of the day is that how many matches do you think say Yemfama coach Ogum na unfair redeem no? How many matches any Yemfama coach Ogum na unfair redeem no? Do you think the next game no do so Yemfama no? And I am on 2 matches, and I am on 3 matches, and I am on till the end of the season. What do you think? That is our question of the day. How many matches should be given to Coach Ogum to redeem himself before say in for ebe pamon? Yantuaso. Now, Enra was not a good day for Asante Kotoko. Bad day at the office, poor results, losing 1-0 to Nations FC. After the game, you share and can't share about the game. Today we are here to do all the justice about the match for you to know the Ekoso, what you say, and the AC. The mamu now, and then come on here, start to funeral. Near Baba be exclusive na no war. I'm the Bemau, and exclusive Nimun Chichi Mono, the Nina to so kama. Now, yes, come on, I say, and from free yesterday at the Baba Sports, the Ghana Football Association, a charge Asante Kotoko, our game on my boy against Nations FC. Our Subain enemy ABC. Wako pramano so nyoma bia echitafo ne ye first half ne baby referee no anchor dressing room because there were some sachet water free the VIP section of the Baba Sports Stadium on say referees number 5 the VIP anymore number rasi ona omo akwa change omo obenum so that kind of thing. Ebra omo kono referees ne sen jai esa akojira fraud ne so because they fraud that na insuo bi eba. Ti FA no when such an incident happens club now will go home, you will definitely be charged. Ti FA na charge Asante Kotoko on that. And you know, during the game, there was an incident, an offside. Yetitia Bernard Sumwa, he ended up scoring the goal, but lineman on dollar na wapeja and the flag no. Now there was one fan of Asante Kotoko who see field no so ne referee no enya some form of exchanges. The name for now is not known. But and also lead to a whole lot of reactions. For Nra Omwana Muni Stadium, no, let me give you some actions that happened. Until the Yenshe Kakra, whilst I do the talking, no. Let's go and watch the first half break. I'm a referee named to me, Uncle dressing room, and again, how should I put it? During the game, that time I was around 90+2. That fan of Asante Kotoko TC Park and so on. Edani in same Bibria. Later, the police came in, almost dragging out of the scene. Game the berry, incident was still there. The exchanges no do so Emma who's Asante Kotoko some of the supporters and the police in a serious exchange. Amede kakra ebremo ansana matwa ensem That is it. Now, based on this, if that charge Kotoko, any statement by Bontain condemning some of their supporters, name for now cannot be identified, but some of the supporters here, Club Kotoko, condemn a year at DNA, the statement by Bontain is a long statement. The summary of it is that they are not in support of what a year Asante Kotoko, a chitafo ni bino, a year, and or many join as a club, and under no circumstance would they endorse any form of violence or attack on a referee. But again, Kotoko Sandi Piso said the level of officiating can be a big issue that can lead to a disaster or your system if the Ghana Football Association and finding ways of rectifying it. The FA during the charge also indicated that Asante Kotoko social media handle during the match may have posted something that the potential to ginger the fans to attack the referee. Jomo charge meaning account. Chinyoma miensa and omjina so charge Kotoko referee now dressing room. The fan or TC Park and so the referee nya exchange. That's the line. One nya exchange and some post our Asante Kotoko social media handle. Kotoko a condemn na Oma said the piece to say the Ghana Football Association should make sure that officiating every picture because officiating was form power or more as a club Asante Kotoko who say and so any na yenumguasem SSF no so making sure across board not just on more Asante Kotoko but on to when it comes to officiating say an incident bonibia. Now, still talking about officiating, yesterday, exclusive video to a porcupine stand. How the referees, a team free stadium, yeah, the air bro, yeah, the no twasso, not we are. So you just take your time and watch how the referees managed to leave the stadium. The intelligence of the police, let's give them credit. And when it's a referee, far anymore than send the rubber into the fair chili ebra supporters na nim da omoso no na pua the police no what do you call it the referees no FPF stadium. So let's watch that. We'll be back very soon. All right, inti police no and ababe pick referees na woman de omo konti omo de omo afa the intelligence of the police and the above form to prevent any incident from happening and the above factor for the main gate no send your mafano the mafa change the say the in such a way say obi say referee no and awful say na dundum light na nche send you anyway soon ka tie for ni be gina ho but I know the police because there is a plan in Tiomona form one. Only my fair Chiriboko so that is it. Until you don't want to say anymore. And you might think it's a police car, but not to say a referee in the that is an exclusive video on Porcupine Stand. That is it. How the referees left the venue. How they left the venue now, there were discussions about the future of Coach Ogum as the head coach of Asante Kotoko. And I no pay me pursue a year pennyfo a pursue omunyan free. Na confirmation are not dema many say if Coach Ogum had 2 matches to redeem himself. This is according to my source I've been working with for a very long time. And this source have been credible under all circumstances. It may come as the way you may 2 games to redeem himself. And in these 2 matches, he should avoid a defeat. That was our 2 matches. A defeat to Bechem, according to Nipano Krano. Men are mafra asem kakra na me expanded timelines. A defeat to Bechem, making it 5 matches out of 5. Some nam source the kind I'm not she change the meme canon. But a defeat to Bichim a 85% chance that Kotoko Saki Ogum. A draw, he is safe to play in Swatrema or Baba Sports Stadium. This is what my source is telling me. The meantime can say. So Coach Ogum must draw against Bichim or beat them and come to Babaira and win against Nswatre. Send a loser turn na ekosono a two betcha. A draw at Bichim, a win at Bichim, Coach Ogum is safe. A defeat at Bichim, one she year, 85% one have only chance in Nswatre game, only chance in Trabench and Nswatre game. And even if he gets a chance to play the Nswatre game, he must win. So in the next 2 matches, Coach Ogum must win one or he will be fired. Win one and avoid a defeat. According to the conditions, me source and no shit at the man. This is a source that in failing me. Into my entire activities our source no. You activate it at a critical moment. Okasa train me ba the obeba no oka Alhaji Baba Ashabe say I say ya type I say broni aka asema ya type tete no broni ka asem na ya type ya wie sa na sa source no oni medwumadie ne tie. And he emphasized that defenders of Coach Ogum at the highest place won't have enough grounds to defend Ogum if he loses against Bichim. And Nuntin or catch them say the defenders have communicated to the coach say the defender was so making sure someone lose Bichim because you lose Bichim I ain't me defender you are exposed. Okay. And if he gets a draw, they will still defend him and win in Swatre. So the next 2 matches Coach Ogum to me the 5 defeat out of 5. There should be a different result outside a defeat. Our Coach Ogum come on. Our in Sheshena El Koso. Our Asante Kotoko Jumana. Your Coach Ogum Ediama Kotokon. This is the exclusive that I'm giving you. Into Obise 3, that is the panel there. But meme dear, and was say a 2 beat Bichim. Draw against Bichim and come and beat against Nswatre. Why he will be lucky with the draw near say when the say Bichim match and the heading into Shen one could go one massive. But the home against Nswatre, according to this source, he is telling me say if Kotoko and me and say Nswatre no board draw Bichim and board draw Nswatre, the Ebesi was stadium now no wedding to the extent that they will have no hands again than to sacrifice the coach. Jenya 3, let me see 2 for Coach Ogum, which I even think on my idea because coach I apamo from Didi Dramani, David Duncan, Masopro, Lugarozet, Michael Osei to Sika Kono to Wembium Zakari Hansen, Save Zebo, Ubien who lose 4 matches to us me a man a chance. As I need 2 matches, Pin, so say, Nakobo draw every mini bako. For your job to be safe. None of these people in Yasa. Didi Dramani, David Duncan, Michael Osei, Lugarozet, Steve Pollack, even Steve Pollack, to Sika Kono, to Pakwesi Fabian, to Zakari Hansen, to Save Zebo, to Maso Kunedu second coming. About 10 coaches. Ochana, I'll take my time and run you through these 10 coaches and what led to their sacking. The results leading to their sacking, I'll give it to you. But Coach Ogum, the American, so this is what the source is saying. To Coach, over to you. Now, what you want to run 10 words, my Cassia person here. Now, to me, Jim Honsigo. And yes, idea. One here, order free so on a bar, say you got to go to but another order, beba, say results, Nintino. We did an 10 year move for and bet to us. Now me are much on their community. Bye bye.
Mas aí a gente vai se encontrar amanhã no mundo, mas sábado. Blaster material, tout va pouvoir du moment où on va voir la sortie. Donc c'est tout peu. Akala uti akala usikamsho na vile sisi na wewe anaona natoa nini utela tuletu ndio mtuma ya mudata letu ndio bwana pero yeye masala mungu kae